Hi and welcome to the Key Learning Initiative. Today's topic is basic simplification of integers. So let's have a look at some definitions. Firstly, if I add a positive number, it becomes positive. If I add a negative number, I subtract. If I subtract a positive number, I subtract. And if I subtract a negative number, I actually add. So let's look at some examples. When we do these, we use a technique called bridge building. When we're adding like this and subtracting, I use what we call small bridges. But let's see them in action. Our first question. We are adding positive 5. So, we build our bridge from our add to our positive 5. Then we look at our table. When we're adding a positive, it becomes positive. That means that adding positive 5 is positive 5. Let's look at our second example. Here we are adding negative 5. We use the same idea. Firstly, we build our bridge between our add and our negative 5. We look at our table. When we're adding a negative, it becomes negative. And so if I add negative 5, it becomes negative 5. Let's look at a third example. If I subtract positive 5. Same routine. I build my bridge. I look at my table. When I'm subtracting a positive, it's the same as subtracting, and so when I do it, when I subtract positive 5, it's the same as taking away 5. Our next example. When I subtract negative 5, again, I build my bridge, I look at my table, and there, when I'm subtracting a negative, it becomes positive. And so when I subtract minus 5, it's the same as adding 5. Alright, let's have a look at something that might be a bit helpful. If I have plus 5 in a bracket right at the beginning of my question, the bracket just falls away and it becomes plus 5. Likewise, if I have negative 5 in a bracket, the bracket can fall away and I can have just negative 5. Anywhere in the question, if I have 5 by itself in a bracket, that's the same as plus 5 in the bracket. Thank you for watching today's topic, Basic Simplification of Integers. I hope it helps. Please like and share, etc. at the bottom. Good luck.